Hageda Lakliver September Aroba Chayolo United Nations headquarters the Pangtuko the Malang Luchimba Saru Yagodoiba Malangi Quadig Chabu Maruba Mifama Weriba United Nations General Assembly the Aibusu Wangan of Baton Tore Sadi to invite the to address in United Nations General Assembly restore high Nebuko at the Baton Tore India Giwinang I have Katani Saru Yagado Imaga Iga the 19 the US Idamak India Tadolagi Miamia for Mongol Pibiro Mohe Sidai is control over consider 15K di like the Pokreva 2.2K musu comment Pigreba. Adona Mayamna, my social media, the Uganevoko. Ham the mass photo of whom say upload or meba. Ama, Ani of whom. I see a home zineba. I know a nice screenshot of Horabaneba. How is the kind of that? Some upon Sibudo. Sigi PS, the Kakreba, but my trade at the Auriba. Check up the hand by PS, the dear speakers and partners, I will say commonly. Koi mail ama forward talk and the CCO na high port neighbor.
BCC the Junebo Kola
BCC da. Aduga C the matak to dum yaureko UNG high level site event haidana. Aduna sona kan gi person site kakhiba fabricate toba akogi moina edit toroga official unofficial invitation saba matak to official speaker invitation gana kogi subject ta ga yaholido malhan bado adadum phawani yung view ko IT General Assembly ha ga bracket ki manungda high level site to yaw the event khar yawi do jabi da we ko silai se event site to yaw da baneba
site yaw sai dear speaker and partner high bazida UNGA high level site event na mai exeng na yaw baza som dana magi personalized oina invite to talk pani high baze utna buhona da site event high bado event tang high pane basi event site yaw din maram ne kaino matam da akhoi na uduja hadi apang praja sing na uduja kaino da asma high level ki oiba high level hagidadi she is very extraordinary like very familiar or reduna high level invite or hapoto uhanna bahuna bukanda event site to hapta baneba site hagading sai na hajagi site event ki poda tarakadoi neba high level hagidadi General Assembly high level ngangani habi poda tahanna bahuna bukanda events yaw da baneba ado praja singna say XYZ followers in the Kamoi Duneva, Kubaku Duneva. Check up with a Makai Dam Tingbio. Typo errors,
typing errors, people's keys. They move, as I mean, general term, the speakers and partner and higher consider they are Miss Licypriya account personally invite up among the same base. CJ, it's everything fabricated.
Yam Chaukalaba Matamzida, ChatGPT, Amayam later than See Matamzida, Asukyam Angang Machagi Mong, the same opposite, Hoi Machina Zumaramo, Mapabuna Bota, Masano Pino Bota, look crazy.
The Amana, even Sizu the Magi, Twitter, thread to the Yaw when it thread to Male. Sigise. Sizu, Higging, but UN Sambira Pagaman, when do you see Manico? I see a quick Machu Gayari sings, high side the Gayawisi sustainable development goal, 17 goals to be colored neighbor. Hadi Malanava Hitare. I don't know, them stories over high level side out of the event Hayakanda, Kahani figure Masim Nabani Hitare. I give a confident Hizo Hagadina. Mase Manawangang, they say my bizarre problem like Baini Hayako.
Technical error.
Ado I show you but I get a minute the overconfident at the car. But bizarre problem later more caliber. Maram de Kaino, in generally, US ki bizarre say therapy. Even some information, if I'm not wrong, mine are 5 years copy have even though ma 22 sat kidanga riba 22 haida that means 5 years 27 sat pa haitare if I'm not wrong visa ki say fully confident laite but ai thamoi na dia de have neba my visa yaram gani but she is not invited haibo pota lakna bani ko
joda ga ahamba Licypriya ga thengna gi baje if I'm not wrong 2008
whenever I'm doing something good for this society akhui Manipur ge damak to ro myam nu kham gane na thabak myam to do aina Manipur ge myam mo ge students ge myam children ge myam people ge myam ge damak tane na natro to eja adung aphawa thabak ti mo na pothorak ta bida ai bo hat na bagi thabak to eja gai gino akhui ge Manipur da aina tom problem jai je unity joma laite adu that's out of the topic me jama aphawa thabak to kanda support to da bida inkhat ki hona da bida na adum hatuk na ba mat to ko so what I'm trying to say is that I yum da lau interview to ge to lau I kai nom ta kai de aduga khoi gi brother ama jale ko me amna kham gani joda heikrujam adu do aina haining je brother aina to iba I'm not affiliated with the NGOs moina ayonda program invite to raga aina chat pa junatte I on the invitation slide je direct United Nations ta gine ko aduga brother na jo amek ta simba hari je I am nungai te hai tare nana UN da chakke jo chalu it's none of my business chakke chalu chakke chaning di chakkano I don't have any words or comment to say on that aduga akhoi ge jo brother ama leri ko brother joda heikrujam na mana haje kana kainom tawri ko I am jealous ka ba male aidagi I don't know, jealous from a 13-year-old girl child. I don't know how does that make sense. Maji, I'm senseless oi hai tare and way behind his brain, way behind his mind. And as he's jealous, man jo kainom ta sum he's misleading. Mana na kaino akhoi mana spread to misinformation. Mana aibu hat na bagita makta. Aibu sum agi aina toy ba thabak chibu stop lephan na bagita makta. And I would like to say is that aibu NGOs me I naga hanta UN ga me chali je I naga UN gi bato me to direct UN da gine adu invitations me je fake ne na hairo adu ma hairo sida ai yum de lao ging lao ki fake na tabro ai UN da wangang bro ngang da bro adu UN da ga hanta wangang de haida UN ji da bu ai na ai gi post su dai da thaga le do link na training ga bro ga toy da adu link to bu fake ne na hai be bro ne UN gi official link to bu ai speech yaw in adu da I am the law. I know the video thabige. Aseng banata bro. Aseng banata di na UN office the chalo jo. Ya dubu kangra di. I know the takpige. Kay nom kaide da. Ang brother kay nom kaide. And also at the end, nang ayon the bo poster just yung mathabag to I am kay nom hatare. I am nuaite because at first COVID ki matamda. Try to remember nang nabo ayon da paraga phone tawraga hare do ke ai iyamba sanjoy bu sum sidore na akoi COVID keep oxygen change na hare do and then what happened was next ay na kay tawi na nangi iyamba sanjoy ki damakta nangi family ki damakta ay no oxygen thaine from Delhi to Manipur ngasi tharga hayeng yogi bapot ni ko adu ko bigano I saved his life and adu bukta I was very young at that time Apaba tabak to organ de adu di yeng dabida pataba to wuju to de kainoma misinformation to orga kainom the was him jalaga by jumbling all these words and misinformation spread to jikai kino society jida and I don't care nana I don't have any business with you going to UN or not chaninga chalu chaninga token chaninga to I don't care I don't give a damn do what you want and amuka hajage kainom ta amik ta doubt clarity for whatever I'm doing just come to my home IJ BBC Reuters international media ay ang wangang rabane live to wangang rabane ay na bu YouTuber macha ako gi Manipur da bu wangang babu interview to bu ay nakagikito no why would I be frightened why would I be scared and also ako gi CC ako gi churan chanpur da ay na maramda chatni ga lauthoki ba do mana du ma fake ka hare do yam ta ba ya da mga tane ko I have my reasons I do reasons kang da bi da pangtat pa misleading words hai je kamanto ino kang da di ayon da law ayon da phone to ro si manto ino kholi no hai ba ba ne ko and I na kai gino chatri do because I have my reasons and let me tell you why it's because of the government when I the yadrin chalanaba churan chanpurda the government stopped me from going there intelligence kay kaigi matang odumindaraga adunga na I didn't want it to cause any drama ay drama saganing ngadina ay am sagad pe but I didn't want it to have any of that and as a child I want peace ako'y Manipur ga hantag lang ga thoki baje ay na mating pangge baje myam gi damakta yahan da ako'y gi medical camp ki oro adung bapaba thabak myam to ra kanda adu di yung bida siyong ba misleading myam words to je kay gino